What preparations do we need to make before modifying the machine? First, you need to disassemble your original machine base. Which structures need to be retained? 1. Machine motor. 2. Machine stand. 3. Machine belt. 4. Machine encoder. 5. Encoder sensor. 6. Sensor cable. 7. Printer head ribbon cable. 8. Lifting system. 9. Lifting motor cable part 1. 10. Lifting motor cable part 2. 11. Lifting motor cable part 3. 12. Cable clip. 13. Fixed plastic module. 14. Paper output plastic module. 15. Ink pump. 16. Power port of the ink pump. 17. Retain the base. No changes are needed to the sides. The original structure can be retained. Remove bottom transport rollers. Retain fixed plastic module. The above is the preparation before modifying the entire printer base. Let's take a look at the overall effect after simple assembly. We provide you with a suction platform, main switch for suction platform. The print head is mounted on this base. Fixing screws part 1. Fixing screws part 2. The lift cable is inserted into the original motherboard. Ink cartridge testing board bracket. Ink cartridge test board installation location. Control panel. Original printer circuit board. Original printer print head cable. Printer paper feed inlet. Original printer power supply. Original printer control power supply. The printer power supply and control power supply need to be connected side by side. Main power switch. After using an acrylic sheet as a shim, screws were driven in. Similarly, use an acrylic sheet before driving in the screws. Note the connection of the ribbon cable here. Before installing the base, the front half of the printer head needs to be installed first. Then install the second half. The power controller can be used simply by plugging it in and then connecting the cables. Connection method between control panel and motherboard. The ribbon cable here connects to the motherboard. For P ribbon cable connected to motherboard. Transformer cable connection. 220 volts power supply. Transformer ground wire. Negative electrode. Positive 24 volts. The power supply via the round hole is connected to either the positive 24 volts or negative terminal of the transformer. Connect the cables according to the video instructions. ribbon cable connection for encoder sensor. Nozzle cabling. Connecting the nozzle cable. Do not reverse the wiring. Strictly follow the instructions in the video. Keep the above 3 lines still. The ribbon cable is connected here. Connect the upper and lower sensors as shown in the video. Control front and rear interfaces. The ribbon cable here connects to the front and rear interfaces. The motor cable is connected here. Switching power supply cable connection. Lifting motor cable connection. The printhead cable and ink pump cable remain unchanged. Ink cartridge testing box interface. Model 1390 requires a test board. The L1800 does not require a detection board. This is an ink cartridge detection board. The modification base is now complete. Additional modification notes. The height of the suction platform can be adjusted here. Adjusting the suction platform will improve printing quality. The suction platform must not come into contact with the bearing. A minimum distance of 5 mm must be maintained.